3, 2, 1. Give it a little Scandinavian flick. And guess what? It's gonna be worse. Good morning. See, Jamie's starting to activate this morning. He's crawling about in his car. But yeah, we just stopped at a lay-by yesterday. Westeros. Ooh. Westeros Coast Trails, can you see that? Didn't even realise. Yeah, so we're gonna get ready and get on the road, I think.
Okay, let me know if you need help with anything.
Okay, that was weird.
I wonder if my rear wiper works. No, it doesn't. That's something that gave up last night, the rear wiper. The front ones don't really work either. Oh shit, I've gone the wrong way. I've gone the wrong way. Apologies. Oh, would you look at that? Look at that turning circle. I think we lost Jamie now. We stopped last night in a lay-by. I've had a very comfortable night's sleep in my camper van. And you know what's brilliant about sleeping in a camper van? You don't have to put a tent up. I just had to draw the curtains. And then I can be on my way. Fear Jamie is lost. Let's pull over and wait for him. You alright, Jamie? Is that him? No. Is that him? No. He's disappeared? He really isn't here? High range. Jamie.
I'll be there in 2 minutes. I'm just turning left where we should have turned left.
Is it Jamie? No. Wait, that's him. I can see you. What happened there?
I didn't turn right on the way back. I didn't see the right turn and I just went right past it.
Dear oh dear.
Right, I'm going to do a wee video briefly, so I'll give you a wee shout when I'm done, okay? I didn't mean that.
Right, we are back on the road now. An hour and a half of driving before we get to Applecross, which I think is going to be our first stop of the North Coast 500 today. I've brought everything you need. I've even got an SAS survival guide in the back there in case we get lost. If we have to start rubbing sticks together to make wood to make fire.
Last night was okay. It was the first night sleeping in the Ford Focus. The DIY curtains, blinds did their job okay. I mean, I guess it was pretty dark anyway, so they didn't have to keep it that much light. And the bed wasn't even that uncomfortable. It was actually reasonable. I'll tell you what, it was definitely not the worst night's sleep I've ever had in terms of comfort. But yeah, first night wasn't too bad at all.
I reckon we could probably make like halfway up the coast before nightfall. Let's open up the taps. I think you need to see this. So we've stopped off at this.
Somewhere in between.
Yeah, somewhere in between Inverness
I think
and
we're,
Applecross. We're about halfway.
A wee bit more, I think.
Nice.
Or maybe a bit halfway, yeah.
It looks alright, doesn't it?
It's alright.
It's alright. It's not bad, is it? It's kind of middle of the road. But I think these are better.
There's a wee waterfall over there.
So that's
Brace yourself.
Brace yourself. Sitchin.
And one series.
The one series. Well, we just started the North Coast 500.
Yeah.
But we thought we'd stop, have a bit of a break.
Well, not really a break.
Well, I
Just
need a
to
break
show that-
because mine's so uncomfortable in my
Really?
seat. Yeah, so I was just like, I
Oh
really
my
want to
God.
go for a walk around. But yeah, we just thought we'd do a little video to show the interiors of our cars because I don't think we've done that
We've shown
properly
the
yet.
exterior kind of, didn't we?
Yeah.
But we didn't really get to show much of the interior.
We can show off all the quirks and features.
All the quirks and features of the... What have you got?
I'll give it a mixed score, you give it a Jamie score. My weekend score is
Out
very
of 50.
good.
Out of 50, like, just what would you roughly give it?
Out of 50 for my weekend score, because I've got all my stuff. This is the ultimate weekend car. This can do
I
anything.
guess so, yeah.
So I'm going to give it 40 out of 50. I don't know if that's good or not. A daily score would be like 12.
Yeah.
15. I'll be generous.
15 out of what?
50.
What, for the
So-
daily
so-
score?
Yeah.
Really? So you don't think wouldn't recommend as a daily driver?
Not this particular one. Maybe a new Ignis, yeah.
It's a shame.
But for the weekend score, it's excellent. The
Fucking
camera's
I
over
don't
there.
know. Like,
You're not even looking at it.
I'm like looking at you and like, I don't know.
You're so shy. So what's your weekend
The
score?
weekend score out of 50. Like 30 maybe?
30 out of 50.
It's decent. It's probably not like so
in
sporty.
the guise that it is at the moment, because it's it's obviously it's got all the sleeping stuff in it.
35.
35.
Yeah.
Good. It's only 5 less than the
I'll
Ignis.
say it's 35. Yours is probably a little bit better equipped. Yours is better equipped on the inside, yeah. But I still think I'm
Yours has got
surprised
air
how-
conditioning. That'll help your daily score if it worked.
Apparently, allegedly.
Yeah. Alleged air conditioning in
It's a
Jamie's
button.
car.
There's a light which goes on.
Yeah. My Mickey weekend score is 40 out of 50, and my Mickey daily score was 15 out of 50. So my combined Mickey score was
Yeah.
55 out of 100.
That's good.
And you?
That's not very good actually. That's okay.
It's not that good. You're saying your weekend score is 30, 35 out of 50?
I think in its condition, it's good. It's,
Well, yeah, it's a good weekend car, isn't it?
it's good. It's good. Yeah.
It's got a V8.
got a V8.
So it's got a
Body.
bed.
It's actually pretty comfortable as well.
Yeah. And you're given a daily score of,
What did I give it?
I think you said 40,
40 out of 50 or something.
which gives a combined Jamie
Or
score.
70 or something. Yeah, or something.
It was 75.
75.
A combined Jamie score of 75
But it's a
out of
better
100.
car than that. Like daily, I mean like
Debatable. Let's remind the viewer. £430, so that left you £70.
70 quid.
425, I got 75.
Yeah.
Under budget.
Okay, so this is the back of the Focus, and we'll start with we've got a couple of lights, LED lights. They actually did come off. They come off quite easily.
Oh dear.
So I did open up the boot once, and it came flying off.
We'll edit that out.
I've got some like smelly sticks here.
What was the kind of inspiration
I wanted it to be like kind of luxurious. I wanted it to be comfortable, like kind of luxurious, but you're out in the middle of nowhere.
Like this.
Kind of luxurious.
I'm getting a bit of a Zen vibe as well.
Yeah,
Like,
I was going for that. Yep.
yeah.
So this is a lack table from IKEA, which was £6
Wow.
in a deal. These are placemats for your
I think that's a very good idea.
dinner.
This is a duck feather bed, is it? Oh no,
No,
oh,
it's
no,
just
it's an air bed.
with oil stains on the.
Oh, that's good.
On the bed sheet. Forget about that bit.
Yeah, we'll do it. We'll edit that out again.
Forget. £3 IKEA throw,
Oh wow, throw. That's
which has
amazing.
been nailed down.
And you don't get this level of craftsmanship in
No.
like OEM manufacturers. and
Nailed
stuff.
down so it doesn't move.
We might not be able to see this during the day, but I can insert a picture of what it looks like at night. Yeah.
It's good at night. See last night when we were sleeping.
That's
I was like,
beautiful.
I'll turn on the lights, and I was like, just the right amount of light to make it comfortable and sort of and cosy.
That's amazing.
Pretty much.
You got your fridge there and your.
There's a
storage.
cool box and clothes, and that's it.
And how's the? It sounds quite quiet for a V8, but
Yeah, no, it's like a good one.
it's a good one.
Yeah.
Okay, so first of all, I'll say inspiration for this car. When I bought it, when I saw it in Gumtree, I thought that looks like a brilliant little car for an adventure. I've got my roof box adventure. I've got my spoiler, sporty adventure. OEM spec mud flaps.
OEM mud flaps.
Yeah.
Straight from Suzuki.
The paint definitely doesn't just come off when you scrape your finger on it. Oh, I know why it's stuck. Oh dear.
If you have a look under here,
Oh god. I'm gonna have to.
It's
tip them out.
the polystyrene spoiler's stuck.
No.
It's caught.
Right, so we'll deal with that later.
Yep.
That's a feature. So here we've got in a very similar kind of style to Jamie's. Got a cheap little cupboard here at the side. This is my curtain arrangement, so that can raise and lower. And it's a lovely
It's thick.
thick tartan.
Was that a proper curtain?
It's a proper curtain, yeah. PS to resistance. Move that out of the way. Bit of a tolerance issue here. Can't really. You get it eventually. And this is
Storage.
This is a storage. So
That's really good.
Got my drill here, which is. It's the same shot as last year.
Yeah.
Got my drill.
All this stuff looks so similar from last year.
I know.
All like these tools I'm seeing.
Except the only difference is we've got jump leads this time.
Good.
Unopened, but I don't think we're going to need them, to be
Probably
honest.
not. Hopefully not.
Right, so that's underfloor storage, and you're probably wondering where's the spare wheel. That's in the roof box. Put this down. Oh god! My SES survival guide was blocking the view there, so. Right, so this is the kind of kitchen, but also
Kitchen.
bedroom area. So we've got
It's just some pack of food.
this pack of food. I'll again raise this lovely pine flooring. My fridge here, so that's where we keep all our the essentials. We've got some lots of frubes, lots and lots of frubes.
Right.
This is my storage under here. So this is toiletries, and then I've got my clothes in there.
That's good.
That's
good.
that's most of it, I think.